Alhamdulillah. I'd like to start the topic with an essential one. Even myself, I'm not 100% sure of the implications of the terms Suhoor and Iftaar. Could you shed some light on these terms for us?
Alhumdulillah. Salaatu Salaam. Rasoolillah wa Aalihi wa Ashaabihi Ajma'een. Amma Baad. Billahi minash shaytan nir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahman-rahim. Rabbish Şadri. Yassir Amri. Uqdatam Lisaani. Yafqahu. The word Suhoor, it is derived from the Arabic word Sahoor, which means the later part of the night. And its plural is called as Ashaar. And Arabic word Sahoor means a meal which is taken just before the break of dawn. And the Arabic word Suhoor is the act of taking the meal Sahoor. So Suhoor is the act and Sahoor is the pre-dawn meal. As far as the Arabic word Iftar is concerned, the word Iftar is derived from the Arabic word Fatar, which means to tear or which means to break. And the word Fatoor means the meal taken to break the fast. And the Arabic word Iftar means the act of taking the meal to break the fast.